this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We're going to launch them off.
So it's the purple one first.
Purple mini.
Or yucky? Yucky? Really? Oh, it's so cute. Are you sure? Like a tiny Roman candle. Do you like it?
It's cute.
You want more? Tiniest Roman candle.
The June bug one. June bugs. June bug. This is June bug.
What's gonna happen? We can use our protection butterfly.
The box will probably get lit on fire. That's what I think.
Is that a ball?
Light it on fire and then throw it up in the air.
Let it on fire, then throw it in the air. It'll be cooler.
Which one's it? Is that the,
Mini. He's gonna have to. Yeah, super cool.
really,
Ooh.
Last year, did you see those little spinny things?
Oh, I love those. Yeah,
I would buy 100 of those.
I put a bunch of stuff in the cart, and that's what I did. I had 50 of them. Like, no
50?
joke. Yes.
and I was looking
I got this
That
one.
spin and go flying up.
What's the next
All I
one?
was doing.
After that, summer vacation, we got
Keep distracted.
sauce. Yep, sauce. You guys
Hey,
should
Lincoln.
remember, right?
Hands out of your pants.
I know we won't, okay?
Move your hands.
Oh, we're letting it.
Lincoln, up here. One. Stay back.
Let's see the summer vacation.
Oh, boy, that's so much. Alright, this one.
Okay, summer vacation and June bugs.
No, it's sauce.
That's how it's supposed to work.
Yeah, it's some sauce. This one. I got this. It's some sauce. I'm gonna sit down, so. Oh, yeah, we could just watch the experience up close. We're gonna watch it up close. The best experience of our lives of fireworks. Okay, sauce. Doesn't do anything right now.
Ready, set.
Okay. That one was good.
Next up, Crystal Fountain. That one was pretty good. You wanna take over?
Sure.
After Crystal Fountain, it's a mini one.
Crystal Fountain.
Can you make one for me? Do you want me to take
Whoa. That might be the best one yet. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that definitely is. Actually not. Here's another mini one. Here's another mini one, guys. This is
Mini
not
one.
that one. This is not that. This isn't a cool one. I think this one's boring. Don't you think this one's boring? Oop, little poppers.
That's a Lukey sized firework. Maybe Harpy even.
Okay. That was a bit weaker than we expected. They're getting everything set up. Next one, Galactic Stardust. Next one is Galactic Stardust.
Okay, Jackson, after this one is Carousel and Beach Power.
Wow, that's surprisingly cool.
shrink it together.
It'll be okay. Yeah, we're going to pause the video. Okay, the next one's
Up in size.
moon dance. I can't wait for the moon dance. It probably will be cool.
Are you ready? Are you gonna watch this one?
What's
There
it?
you go. Watch this one, Lincoln.
Really cool.
Put the GoPro right next to it, it'll probably look like.
Jackson, carousel next. Carousel.
This guy? Another cardboard box.
This one I'm excited for. That was a good one.
So this is carousel. Woo! Looks like lava coming out. Yeah, everything looks like lava coming out.
Like a potato.
Unless it's a purple color. Bro, that's so surprising. Yeah. Alright, give him the mini.
Oh, you already gave me.
He's smaller than mini.
And then Night Justice. We're playing Night Justice in the next video, right?
Yeah, Night Justice is the next video. So which one is the last one? That last mini? This mini is the last one. And then we'll have to make another video. No, 2 minis in a row, so.
Were you swimming with your puddle jumper or did you not have it? Did you have your floaty on?
We've already seen the fish bar. What's it like? Kind of.
Looks like miniature fireworks.
Yeah. Okay. Mini and then this video. No, it's over and
No, then Night Justice.
yeah, and then no, Night Justice is the beginning of the next video, right?
Mm-hmm. 2 minis in a row.
Woo! No, it's all over.
Is this what happened last year?
I wish we could redo
A lot
that.
bigger one. 2 years ago.
Doesn't even matter.
Totally safe last year.
Okay. Wait, you take over, and then we're gonna end the video. See you in part 2.
Should there be 4 parts?
It's gonna be 3 parts. No, we're gonna make more than. We're gonna make a lot of parts.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this all looks green.
Yep, this is definitely not like lava.
And now we're gonna see you in part 2.